All right, and this is the last part on creating images for the thread list details. And in order to do that, first, let me press play so that you guys can see how it is when it works. I'm going to click just on this conversation. And as you can see, it's loading correctly. Now I can go ahead and add a new one, a new message, or even a new image. Let me just duplicate this image just for the sake of you seeing that two of them will appear. Press run. And we should see two in a row. There we go. Perfect. Now I'm going to remove this message. And if I press run, you'll see that they still appear, right? So that means that it's working, right? There we go. And as you can see, all the messages appear. Perfect. Now, in order to do this, what you have to do is modify the message. So go to the thread. Inside of the thread.swift, modify the message to only save the image name and not the image path. Why? Because you don't need the whole document directory. You just need the name of the file, which is the UUID, right? So modify so that you can see this structure and you can get the image path this way by getting access to the documents directory and appending the path from the image name. All right. Once you have this, then you can go in the thread details view controller. And inside of the thread details view controller, we're going to modify the load messages. So the load messages now, when we try to display the image, we have a new method or function called load image from the image name. Why? Because the image name is just the UUID. So we want to add the documents directory to this. So here is the load image. It's right below. We get an instance of the documents directory, we append the name of the image name, and then we load the data from the content of the file, and that's how we get the image. Now, I modify the add message a little bit, because if there is an image now, what we do is we just save the UUID, right? So I just need to do image name is equal to UUID, the UUID string, and I save the image with the with file name, okay? And then you guys should not see any difference. But if you take a look at the save image now, I'm going to right click and jump to the definition here. So now the save image gets the documents directory and writes to the documents directory and the file name appended to it. That's all right? But never we save the documents directory. We only save the file name, which is the UUID. All right. Again, I know this might be a lot to take in, and that's why you can always go to appsfresh.com to download the source code ready to go. I put a lot of effort into this, and what I'm trying to do is very different from other instructors out there, and I really try to push you, and feel free to reach out, but obviously, you know, I work hard and I expect to be rewarded for my hard work, and I expect that you value that too, and feel free to contact me. Thank you.